Hi everyone, welcome to our first product release of 2023. This year you will see and hear a wide range of new products that we've developed in cooperation with the hi-fi specialist Quadral. Today I want to start by introducing the new Install Speaker 10 Passive. This built-in speaker has features that are only found in absolute high-end hi-fi speakers. Then there's another new product I want to talk about, the Satellite Speaker IP64 Passive. This is a very flexible speaker that can be used both indoors and outdoors and has an integrated wall mount. But more on that later. Before we get started, have you already subscribed to our YouTube channel? If not, now is the time so you don't miss any of our exciting news. Let's start with the Install Speaker 10 Passive. This speaker is a high-quality 10-inch passive built-in speaker. It was developed together with the hi-fi specialist Quadral to create particularly powerful audio reproduction in buildings of any size. While the audio is powerful, the outer appearance of the speaker is rather understated, so it can be integrated into any building without disturbing the ambience. A special aspect is the size and the craftsmanship of the speaker. The real 10-inch woofer fits into a housing that other manufacturers need for an 8-inch woofer. The two-way speaker covers the transmission range from 40 to 23,000 Hz, which, in combination with the Ultima membrane and the titanium tweeter, offers an incredible sound experience. By the way, the Ultima cone is a high-quality cone made from an aluminum titanium magnesium alloy, which ensures high impulse fidelity and low sound coloration. It contributes to an even better fine dynamics and a higher resolution of details. The Ultima membrane is also used in Quadral's multi-award-winning high-end Aurum series. This means that 10 passive, absolutely high-quality hi-fi components have been installed in the new Install speaker. The speaker has a nominal impedance of 8 ohms, which also allows for longer cable lengths, as well as the coaxial system, which is well known to audio lovers. This speaker is ideal for use in combination with an audio server or, for example, a home entertainment system. The built-in speaker can be installed in ceilings, walls, or furniture. If the surface in which you want to install the speaker is not closed, an installation box is required. This would be the case for a perforated acoustic ceiling, for instance. You can also find these on our web shop starting today. Now on to the second speaker, the Satellite Speaker IP64 Passive. This speaker is very flexible and, thanks to the IP64 certification, is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It was developed so that you can always enjoy first-class sound, no matter where you are. The Satellite speaker brings the highest sound quality to your terrace or garage, but also to commercial areas such as restaurants, hotels, or coffee shops. The Satellite speaker is a passive two-way speaker with a transmission range from 50 to 25,000 Hz. It also has an impedance of 8 ohms and works perfectly with the Luxone audio server or a stereo extension. What else do you expect? However, it can also be operated with any other amplifier. The dimensions of the speaker are 260 mm in height, 150 mm in width, and 143 mm in depth. It has a flexible arm that allows for it to be attached to the wall in various positions. Depending on the installation, the speaker can be swiveled horizontally or vertically by up to 90 degrees. In a nutshell, the Satellite Speaker IP64 Passive is a true all-rounder with excellent sound and a top price performance ratio. And if you want to get loud, you can take your party to the next level with this speaker. There you have it. These two new passive speakers from Quadral, combined with an audio server, create an even better multi-room audio experience. But that was just the beginning when it comes to audio. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates and surprises. Thank you so much for watching and see you real soon.